Hey Queens, how are you all doing? I'm Pratibha and welcome to Vivimania. Today I'm going to share a very unique and effective remedy for reducing darkness around mouth, nose, and forehead. Something that most of us deal with. I'm going to share with you a very natural remedy which will help you get rid of this problem. Before that, guys, if you are interested in such herbal, unique, and effective DIYs for skin and hair, do consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the bell button so that you don't miss out on anything. And now let's get started. For today's process, we need wheat flour. If you don't have wheat flour, you can use corn flour. Then poppy seeds, that is khaskhas. If you don't have poppy seeds, no problem, you can use rice powder as an alternative. Then coffee powder. Along with coffee powder, we also need potato juice, aloe vera gel, and honey. For scrubbing, we are going to use poppy seeds, so we have to soak this overnight so that it becomes soft and we can easily use this for scrubbing. Now first we'll prepare a scrub pack. We need potato juice. For potato juice, I just washed a potato, peeled its skin and grated it and squeezed it. It releases all the juice. In this juice, we'll mix 1 spoon of soaked poppy seeds. If you don't have poppy seeds, mix rice powder with potato juice and use it. So this is a scrub pack. You can also add a pinch of turmeric in this paste and then apply to your face. I'll apply this pack nicely on my face and neck and start massaging in circular motion. The juice from a raw potato will naturally lighten skin due to the high quantities of vitamin C in it, and poppy seeds will also help in brightening your complexion, and it will make your skin so soft that your skin will really feel like silk after doing this. I'm generally massaging my whole face in circular motion, and mainly I'm concentrating on areas where I get dry skin and bumps, that is on the apple of my cheeks, my nose where I have blackheads and whiteheads. This paste will help to remove all the dead skin from the skin and will leave the skin feeling soft, clean and glowing. Massage till pack semi-dry. Now my pack is semi-dry. I'll wash it with cold water and then take steam for about 5 minutes. I just took steam, guys, and now using my blackhead extractor to remove my blackheads and whiteheads. Do it very gently. This is an important step after taking steam. Now we'll apply the face pack. For face pack, we need 1 spoon wheat flour, alternate is corn flour, then 1 spoon coffee powder, half spoon aloe vera gel, and then half spoon honey. You have to make a thick paste. And it smells amazing, guys. Mix this all together and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, start applying this on face and neck nicely in circular motion. Wheat has nutrients in abundance. It helps in regeneration of skin cells. It reduces tan and improves elasticity and also controls oil in our skin. It comes with properties that work wonders for the skin. The caffeine in coffee powder helps lighten pigmentation, dark spots, sunspots and blemishes. Aloe vera contains aloin, a natural depigmenting compound which lightens skin and works effectively as a non-toxic hyperpigmentation treatment. So aloe vera gel and coffee powder together works wonder to remove pigmentation. Honey acts as a moisturizer. Now after applying, just wait till it's semi-dry. Once the pack is semi-dried, just take some cold water in your hand and start massaging your face. Massage this pack all over your face in circular and upward direction. While massaging, keep one thing in mind. Massage your skin in upward direction. Massage gently around your cheek area, giving upward strokes. Mainly massage your cheek area as that is the area where we develop laugh lines due to age or workout. So just hold that area out and massage it in upward direction. It will help to lift our cheek and our laugh lines won't deepen with time. Then I'm gently massaging my nose and the area near it. Then again on forehead, massage with upward strokes. Give a really nice relaxing massage. It will help you sculpt your face and give you a glowing look. While massaging, don't rub your skin a lot, just use upward strokes. This pack is also an anti-aging face pack. It will help you reduce all fine lines from your face and also you'll get rid of open pores near your nose area. After massaging our face, we'll now finally massage our neck. Always keep in mind to massage in upward strokes because it will help you lift your skin and also give you a glowing effect. Now wash your face with cold water. Don't apply anything after washing at least for 2 hours and do this whole process in the night. As I said earlier, this is an anti-aging face pack too. It will help you get rid of fine lines and open pores. Do this once a week and you'll see a huge difference in your face. Next week, I'm going to share a natural effective remedy for hair fall. So do subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on anything. See you next week. Till then, bye and take care.